I'm Miu. Welcome to Roldan World. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Act of State Doctrine. The Act of State Doctrine is one of the methods by which states prevent their national courts from deciding disputes which relate to the internal affairs of another state. The other two being immunity and non-justiciability.
Actual case or controversy. An actual case or controversy is one that involves a conflict of legal rights, an assertion of opposite legal claims susceptible of judicial resolution. The case must not be moot or academic or based on extra-legal or other similar considerations not cognizable by a court of justice.
Ad interim appointment. It is an appointment made by the President while Congress is not in session or during recess.
Administrative Resjudicata. It refers to the rule which forbids the reopening of a matter once judicially determined by competent authority applies as well to the judicial and quasi-judicial facts of public, executive or administrative officers and boards acting within their jurisdiction as to the judgments of courts having general judicial powers. It has been declared that, whenever final adjudication of persons invested with power to decide on the property and rights of the citizen is cognizable by the Supreme Court, upon a writ of error or a certiorari, such final adjudication may be pleaded as Resjudicata.
Amendment. Amendment of the Constitution, on the other hand, envisages a change or only a few specific provisions. The intention of an act to amend is not to consider the advisability of changing the entire Constitution or of considering that possibility. The intention rather is to improve specific parts of the existing Constitution or to add to it provisions deemed essential on account of changed conditions or to suppress portions of it that seem obsolete, or dangerous, or misleading in their effect.
Belligerent occupation. The international law of belligerent occupation must therefore be understood as meaning that the occupying power exercises provisional and temporary control over foreign territory. It follows from this that measures taken by the occupying authorities should avoid far-reaching changes in the existing order.
Doctrine of exhaustion of administrative remedies. The doctrine of exhaustion of administrative remedies states that one should avail all the means of administrative processes provided by law before seeking the intervention of the court. This is applied in the exercise of quasi-judicial power of administrative agency.
Doctrine of Incorporation. The doctrine of incorporation, as expressed in Section 2, Article 2 of the Constitution, provides that the Philippines adopts the generally accepted principles of international law and international jurisprudence as part of the law of the land and adheres to the policy of peace, cooperation, and amity with all nations.
Doctrine of indelible allegiance. The doctrine that an individual may be compelled to retain his original nationality notwithstanding that he has already renounced or forfeited it under the laws of the second state whose nationality he has acquired. Doctrine of necessary implication. The doctrine states that what is implied in a statute is as much a part thereof as that which is expressed. Every statute is understood, by implication, to contain all such provisions as may be necessary to effectuate its object and purpose, or to make effective rights, powers, privileges or jurisdiction which it grants, including all such collateral and subsidiary consequences as may be fairly and logically inferred from its terms.